Purezidenti Museveni nagira ngu eby'obwebembezi bishemereire kutwarizibwa mu ngero eshemereire kuhwera abantu okutunguuka biri kutari kubaganisibwamu.
If there is proof, if there can be proof that you are elected on a sectarian basis, first of all, you can go to jail, but you can also be removed from leadership. But let's get the law. So those people who are doing that, you should denounce them, you yourselves.
Purezidenti yayongera yashoborera ko abantu bari kubaasa kukoresa entebeekanisa ya 4 acre model n'obu bakuba batiine amataka garikumara.
Talk of 4 acres. Many of the people I'm talking about don't have 4 acres. The Ayasuga did not have even an inch. Ayasuga, the one I'm telling you about of Chihi, he had nothing. He was acreless, landless. So he got the money, hired somebody else's restaurant, and eventually bought a pig, and eventually I think he's now bought land now, or something like that.
Purezidenti akatandika orutayo rw'omuri Kigezi ha Rwakashatu rw'Egyesande kandi atayira abantu abaganyirwa PDM kandi yatongoza na projects zitari zimwe na zimwe.
100 million was endozo. Endozo mujimanya endozo. Rumongas endozo mujimanya. Okroza nini? Yes. Sampling okroza is make people taste to see how it works, but it seems to be working well, so we shall definitely together with other priorities if necessary increase, although this is already quite a bit of money.
Gasha kwa job na amanya.